occasionally out there clearing debris, so they'll probably be very busy for at least a week. Clearing up debris, cutting up trees.
The miners managed the release of many people who fear Tropical Storm Irene would bring heavy flooding reminiscent of what they saw 5 years ago.
You have files waiting to be merged to disk. Tooltip.
And I'm just glad it wasn't as bad as when it was 06.
If you look at our now, you can tell it's high, but the flood in 2006 was all the way up, and even the flood walls were, it was up to the bottom of the flood walls and was leaking through, some people had to be evacuated. Nothing like that.
While Boone County accounts is struggling, people here are keeping those who weren't as lucky in their thoughts.
I do feel concerned for people other places in New York and throughout the whole coast, you know, with the flooding and the deaths and whatever. That's really sad. I feel really bad for them.
In Binghamton, Melissa Catherica, YM.
For most kids, the school year hasn't even started yet, and students may have to change their spring break plans. Many school districts set their calendar for the next year well in advance, with spring break the week of April 16th. But superintendents across the state received notification just last week that the state English language arts exam will now take place that same week. John King, the state education commissioner, said the date will not change, and it was needed to meet the deadline for the new teacher and principal evaluation system. So many school districts approved their calendars, again, back in March, but with few other options, they will likely have to change their spring break.
And we can't walk away from our federal subsidization. That's a significant amount of dollars. And if we don't take the tests, it sounds like we would forfeit those federal dollars.
Well, students in grades 3rd through 8th are currently scheduled to take the state ELA exam at that time. The Clemens Center in Elmira is now a memorial site for those who lost their lives on September 11th, nearly 10 years ago. The Clemens Center is one of 30 sites statewide named City for the Heroes of the 9/11 attack, with a New York Remember exhibit. The free exhibit officially opened yesterday. It does include photos, a timeline, and artifacts from the World Trade Center, such as a piece of one of the planes and a police car door.
While there may not have been many individuals in our community who were actually in New York City at the time, it touched everybody's lives. You know, as we sometimes like to think of ourselves as independent, we do come together as a community when we remember us like this.
The exhibit will be open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5:30 through the end of September. It'll also be open on...
I think it's good, though. I got a friend named Kim, don't you?
Yeah, who is Kim?
The blonde.
I hope she ain't a user. Cause she wanted you to get some water for her. Well, I hope she ain't gonna start asking you to do stuff for her.
She asked me to get some medicine for her boyfriend one time. Her boyfriend was sick. Now, man, Jesus, Melchizedek's webcam video media.